Saturday here in Istanbul, and it was a lockdown on Sundays only. But from today they have implemented lockdown because of COVID from Saturday and Sunday. Only tourists are allowed to visit. You can see, you hardly find streets in Istanbul so empty. So that's nothing to worry because it's nothing but a COVID consequences and reflections are coming out. Only tourists can come out. Locals cannot come out, or people who are on a residentship they cannot come out. So I hope this COVID will be over soon because it is killing the entire world, its economy and everything. Let's hope for the best and pray to Almighty. Thank you. Okay, today being Saturday, it's a lockdown, but we are lucky to come here because the crowd is very less. Normally, you find lots of crowd in these areas, and the beauty of this area that the seaside is one end, other end the historical buildings, mosque, and the other stuff are there, and you can see the Spice Bazaar in the Grand Bazaar on my back, and on the other hand you can see the seaside from where you go to other places like Princess Island and all this stuff. So we are just trying to go to Princess Island if it's not restricted because of COVID, because we heard that it is not allowed today. But let's see, if luck favors us, we might go. Thank you. Well, we are just going to Princess Island. If you are coming from the center, from Sultan Ahmed side, if you are coming into auto tramway, the station is behind me. So you have to sit in a tramway and come to the last station, which they call Kabatash. So once you come here, you have to charge your card and go to this station, and it's just costing you 10 lira. If you go through the travel agencies or the hotel, it will cost you $25 to $30. But here it's costing you just 10 lira, Pakistani 100 rupees. Otherwise, they might charge from you 5,000, 6,000 rupees. So be smart, be vigilant, and be careful when you are traveling because it's very cheap here, just 10 lira. Thank you. We are ready to get in the ferry on the way to Princess Island. We're just moving on. See. So finally we are in the ferry or in a cruise. You can see behind me so many logistic stuff for the sea which is happening, and you can see the houses other side of the sea. So we are just on the way of Princess Island. There are total 11 islands within this area. That's why they call it Princess Island. So Princess Island one is the last one. In between you find 10 of them other than Princess Island one. The best part of this ferry and cruise and this tour is it's very economical. You just need to pay 10 lira and you are going to enjoy this. It's wonderful. Super. Just look at the water. How clean it is. Even if a fish goes inside, you can see the fish. It's a see-through thing. So transparent water. And behind me, all the cottages of the same structure. And whenever you see Princess Island, you see these pictures everywhere. No? So it's like we are at the top of the ferry, the cruise, and you can see it's all around covered by the water. So normally, this Princess Island is covered with 11 islands. So when you are moving around, it's up to your choice on which island you want to get down. But mostly people are getting down on the last one, which seems to be the bigger one. So you can see all around the birds are flying, the buildings are behind, the constructions are happening. So it's beautiful. It's breathtaking. Okay, so we have just landed, rather reached to Princess Island's last stop. You got the below. So after 1.5 hours or maybe 1 hour 40 minutes journey to the cruise or a ferry, it was a wonderful experience. So we are going inside to see how it looks like from inside, and shall keep you posted. Thank you. So right, we have started to explore this island, and you can see the beauty speaks itself. All beautiful water, high-rise buildings, trees, houses, roads. So what else you expect? Everything you find if you want to enjoy enjoy a life of city, you just take 1.5 hours and go to Istanbul. If you want to enjoy a life of beaches, just come here and enjoy your life and enjoy. Come here for a couple of days. So super place, I must say. It's one of the best places I have seen during my international traveling. So if you want to see through this binocular, you have to put 2 lira into it, and then it becomes operational, and it shows a very beautiful view. It looks like that the buildings and everything just in front of your eyes. So you have to put 2 lira into it.